Right people, alright, welcome back. Yes, we're in December the 15th actually. The fucking shit weather has finally laid off a little bit. I thought, why not? Let's go for a fucking little ride. It's been a while and I fucking needed this. Let's go! Jesus Christ, I tell you what, I needed that. I ain't gonna lie. Fucking hell, shit weather in the UK, can't really get out on the bike. I mean, there's only so much pissing around you can do on the bike. In the garage, buying parts, spending money, it's Christmas, the kids need gifts. I'm rinsing all their fucking funds on shit for the bike that I can't really ride it anywhere, so it's like, getting it from both ears. Family's going mad at me for spending money I ain't got on the bike that I can't fucking ride because the weather's shit. And I'm not buying them the shit that they want for Christmas. What about me, eh? What about me? Us men riding on bikes, and you women as well that ride bikes. What about us lot? Hey, we need our fucking little get out and go, feel good vibe. Let's go. So what fucking mad configuration mongrel settle we got going on the bike at the moment? So we've still got the one spoke wheel on the back, normal wheel on the front. I've got the sprint air filter in, no lid. The Austin Racing cons are bank on because you can hear it popping, banging. Pop, 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 pop. Fucking awesome. And I've got the AEM lightweight sprocket on, so that's on the back now. So I don't know whether that's just gonna get a bit of an improved acceleration. Fucking hell, certainly lifting the front end up a bit more as I go over bumps. Hit the fucking limiter then, the red line. Alright, speed limits. Can't be too much of a loon. And you've got to respect the law a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Anyway, I hope the whole hyper community is doing well. Hope you guys are fucking looking after yourself. I can see the Hyper 698 community is getting stronger and stronger. More and more people are buying them. A lot more products coming to the market for this bike. I've still got a lot more to get, a lot more to order, still a lot more parts to fit. But I'm going to take my time. It's no mad rush. I also need to spend some love on the 950. So I'm going to do some servicing, rebuild stuff on that. Because it's been a while and it's done 10,000 miles. 10,000 great miles, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can do something similar on this and just enjoy 10,000 loads of miles. But why not? Let's go! Fucking hell! I fucking love this bike. Absolutely. Fucking love it. And obviously doing that video where we compared, well, we just did a little light by light of the 698 versus the 950, which you guys thank you for watching that and commenting. It's good to get everyone's opinions and feedback on that. Tell you what, I need to be a bit more committed on the shifts. Pedal seems a bit soft, or just because I've got these little shitty boots on. I've done 1,200 miles on this, and I need to get it. The service light is on. I'll probably do another oil change myself at home, and then I'll just take it to Ducati Coventry, JHP, and I'll probably just get them to do a little service reset for me. Updates that are needed, etc. Give it a little health check, little once over, so I can get back out and enjoy this. Don't worry, mate. You just take your time. I'm chilling, mate. It's like fucking one day in the last fucking 2 months I've had a chance to get out properly, so I'm not going to take the piss. Plus the road's a tiny bit, almost dry, not 100% dry, so why risk it, eh? Tell you what, let's just overtake him. hopefully the farmers haven't ploughed it with shit coming out of their fields. Tell you what, the fucking bike is sounding awesome. I am loving this combo with the Austin Racing cans, stock pipes. I see CNC and Ducati bike parts are bringing out more stuff for this bike, which is fucking great. It's a great choice for us. It's about bloody time. I do like their stuff. I'm probably more inclined to the protection side of things for them than the bling side, but I will probably get round to that as well. Fucking hell, man, that sounds so good. Shit. Too fast. No, I'm not, mate. This fucking bike don't go that fast, bruv. He's just going almost road sensible speeds plus 10%. But because you're on a fucking tiny little bike going slowly, it just feels and looks fast like this, you know, just coming off a throttle, little blip over the blind crest, to the right, to the right, to the right, yes, up to the gears, see another biker, come off the throttle, hold it, go left. Where's the fucking corner ending? It's still ongoing, it's still ongoing. Oh, a little blind dip, nice. To the right, to the right. It will lean off. Opens out, get on the gas. Oh, nice. Still can't get the gear change right. Hey. Oh, even commentating to yourself is fucking fun. Oh, if you guys fucking got these bikes just sitting in the garage because you think it's winter, because the weather's rubbish, or wherever you are, just, mate, even going out just to the shops and back and just going for a little blast, just tiny these little reminders. It's cool fun, man. It's cool fun. Fucking certainly levels up your Sunday morning. Puts a bit of fucking lead in your pencil. You never know, your missus might thank you later. I don't know if it's just a placebo effect, but just feel a bit more responsive. Just as in, like, just wants to accelerate a bit better. I don't know whether that lightweight sprocket on the back's helping out a bit now, a bit more, you know, less inertia. The rotating mass and everything's been reduced, so it just helps. You know, a little bit helps. And I'm still on the lookout for a 14-ton sprocket that will fit this fucking bike. Let's go. Fourth gear's better. Third gear. I'll stay in third. Slow down for the corner. Third seems too ratty. Fourth. Back down to third. Over the crest. Hey, little car coming the other way. Put you off. Oh, I see fucking anything around here. Come on, people. Right, so what we've got coming up, we've got to fit a lot more parts that I've ordered. Still waiting because it's Christmas, New Year's, so I'll wait for them to come. Can't really tell you too much about it. I've got the chain at home. I still need to have I'm going to try and fit that myself. I've never fitted a chain in my life. I'm going to have another crack at that, see what happens. I've watched a couple of YouTube videos. There's still the front wheel saga, so SM Pro have actually trued the wheel over as far as they could. It can't go any further over. I think we requested 9mm, they've done 8.5, and I've still got to get the spindle made for the front, the custom spindle from projects from Kev. So once that's all done, then hopefully we can fit the wheel and get it all to line up, and if that is, then I can get the tyre fitted to it, and then that should be the front spoke wheel set up, custom done for this bike, hopefully one of one. And then after that, it's going to be basically stuff for the new year. So we've already got the mates that are planning we want to do a Euro trip, as in put the bikes in the vans, head over to the Alps, get some Airbnbs and just literally fucking spend 5 days just blasting around there, going here, there, everywhere. I want to try and do track days next year, a lot more track days on this bike, just have a bit more fun, because I think it's I definitely need to do more. I only did the one last year at Donington Park, but I need to do more track days, use different ones, short, twisty, long ones, just to have a bit more fun on it, test out the bike, and that's it really. And then we're just, everyone is just fucking sitting and waiting for a flash. So come on BHP UK, come on Dim Sport, get on the fucking case, get this ECU cracked, will ya? And let's get some flashes out for this, and let's try and see if we can beat that magic 80 brake horsepower barrier at the wheel, not at the crank, at the back wheel. So yeah, as usual guys, much love and respect. Have a good Christmas, have a fucking cracking new year. Like, comment, subscribe, do all your usual shit on my socials, and hopefully you boys out there that I've sent a couple of my merch out to, make sure you fucking tag me in, and all the best. So yeah, over and out.